If you're looking to test your limits and leave the competition behind, the AERIUM C 68SL could well be the perfect tool for the job. Developed in conjunction with the aerodynamics and Formula One specialists at Swisseye, this no-holds-barred speed machine leaves UCI regulations behind in the quest for ultimate performance. Wind tunnel testing, real-world data logging and fastidious attention to detail make this the fastest triathlon bike currently available, according to our testing. And it's not just slippery through the air ahead, it's also remarkably stable in crosswinds and turbulence, giving it impressive stability in real-world riding conditions. Low seat stays help to reduce the frontal area, while the slotted head tube acts as a spoiler. The hydraulic brake system, developed in conjunction with Magura, is designed for quick wheel changes and easy adjustment, with all cables and hoses hidden away.